Finally, an elevated vacuum system that seamlessly integrates effective vacuum with the same rugged and simplistic design of the RUSH Foot. Are you ready to elevate your life with the RUSH Foot EVAQ8 collection? Actuated at heel strike, our integrated pump has patients seeing levels of 18 to 22 inches of mercury in just a few short steps. The unit is still completely waterproof in both fresh and salt water, has no batteries, so there is no charging required, nothing to plug in at night, and because it's integrated into our heel shock, there are no clearance issues or additional build height requirements. Patient benefits you're going to see include heightened proprioception, increased linkage to your prosthetic device, and better volume management throughout the day. Let's take a closer look and see how it works. It works very simply. When the patient loads weight, the heel shock will compress, forcing air out of the one-way exhaust port. As the patient unloads weight, the heel shock will now expand, trying to draw oxygen into the heel shock itself. And in doing so, it's going to pull oxygen from the socket. The modification we've made to the heel shock only adds 10 grams of weight to each foot. So we now have the Low Pro weighing in at 649 grams, the RUSH High Pro weighing in at 770 grams, and the RUSH Rogue at 875 grams. All 3 feet are still covered by our 36-month warranty, are available in 22 to 29 centimeters in length. The build height on the RUSH Low Pro is the same at 4.5 inches, and the High Pro and the Rogue range from 6.5 to 7.3, depending on the length of the foot. Everything you need to set this up is included in the box in our installation kit. Your installation kit will include a 90-degree barb to create a port from your socket. We'll also include a segment of flexible tubing to connect the socket to the heel, an inline filter, a 1/2 inch wide section of hook and loop velcro so that you can secure the hose to the foot or to the pylon and keep things snag free. And in the event that you're using a seal inliner, we'll also have an option to include a valve so that you can release the patient and break the seal. And the foot is completely field serviceable with our easy to use rebuild kit. In the rebuild kit, you'll find a replacement section of hose, a replacement inline filter, an additional section of hook and loop velcro. You'll also receive a new straight inline barb and duckbill valve to replace the insertion point of the heel. You'll also find a new exhaust port as well as duckbill valve for the exhaust side of the heel. For more information, feel free to give us a call, find us on social media, or visit our website. And remember, it's time to elevate your life with the RUSH Foot EVAQ8 collection.